Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easytalk Hub, the place where learning English feels natural and enjoyable. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our lovely listeners. I'm very happy to be here with you today.
I'm happy too, Mark. This time of year always feels special. The studio feels warm and comfortable today.
It really does. Everything feels cozy. Anna, how are you feeling today? Are you tired, or do you have lots of energy?
I'm feeling good, thank you. I'm a little tired, but in a good way. We just had a big holiday.
Yes, we did. And today's episode is a special one. We're going to talk about Christmas.
Oh, I love Christmas. But Mark, Christmas is over now.
That's true. So today, we'll talk about the past. We'll practice the past tense.
Ah, yes, the past tense. That's very important for our listeners because we often talk about yesterday or last week.
Exactly. Today's big question is, how was your Christmas?
That's a great topic. We can tell stories and learn new words together.
Before we begin, we have one small but important job.
Yes, to everyone listening, please remember to subscribe to Easytalk Hub.
Click the red subscribe button, and if you enjoy our podcasts, please press the like button. It really helps us.
And don't forget to share this episode with your friends. They might want to learn English too.
Thank you so much. Okay, Anna, let's start. I'm curious, how was your Christmas?
It was wonderful. Very busy, but really nice.
Busy? What made it busy?
I didn't stay home. I traveled to my parents' house.
You went to your parents' house. That's the past form of go. Was it far?
Yes, a little far. I drove for about 3 hours.
3 hours? That's a long drive. Was there a lot of traffic?
Yes, there were many cars on the road, but I listened to music, so the drive felt easier.
That's good. Music always helps. Who was at your parents' house?
Everyone was there. My mom, my dad, my sister, and my grandmother.
That sounds lively. What did you do when you arrived?
We talked for a long time, and then we cooked together.
Christmas cooking is the best. What did you make?
We prepared a big dinner. My mom cooked a large turkey.
Did you help?
Yes, I did. I peeled lots of potatoes.
Hard work, but mashed potatoes are delicious.
They are. We also had carrots, peas, and gravy.
Gravy is perfect with turkey.
We ate together, and the table looked beautiful. My mom placed red candles everywhere.
That sounds very festive.
We ate so much food. I was extremely full.
I understand. Now, my turn. I didn't travel this year. I stayed at home.
That sounds relaxing.
It was very peaceful. I woke up late and slept until 10 a.m.
Wow, that's great sleep.
After that, I made a special breakfast, banana pancakes.
Yum. Did you use syrup?
Yes, lots of maple syrup.
And after breakfast?
I watched a Christmas movie, Home Alone.
That movie is a classic. Very funny.
I laughed a lot. Later, I cooked dinner, but not a turkey.
Too big for one person.
Exactly. I roasted a small chicken.
Did you have dessert?
Of course, I ate a slice of chocolate cake.
Did you receive any gifts?
Yes, my brother gave me a blue sweater.
That's nice. And I received a book from my sister.
Books are great gifts.
I also gave my dad a watch, and he loved it.
That's a wonderful feeling.
We also decorated a big Christmas tree at my parents' house.
I had a small tree with white lights and gold decorations.
Mark, I noticed we used many past tense verbs today.
Yes, many regular verbs end with ed, like cooked, watched, and played.
But some verbs are irregular.
Right. Go becomes went, eat becomes ate, and have becomes had.
The best way to practice is by telling stories.
Tell your friend or even your dog what you did yesterday.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
What did you eat for your holiday meal?
Write your answer in the comments using the past tense. Say, I ate.
We love reading your comments. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and share.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.